guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to unbox my AirPod today and we're gonna show you up. And here we go. There is a plastic, so I'm going to remove it. And then so it's a bit like a difficult only. And then it's written AirPods Pro, and this is the barcodes, and this is the back side of the box. Ta-da! I'm going to remove now. Yes, I just opened the box now, and there is some leaflets, that is the manuals in different languages. It's written here so many languages. It's long, it's bigger, and this is all about the how to connect and all. And there is one sticker as well. And now the turn off AirPods, I'm going to remove it. It's a very cute box, and this is the Pro rubbers, and there we go. There is the wire, and this is for the charger, only just a wire, and it's kind of C type. This is for the starting from 12 Pro, and for the AirPods Pro as well, it's type of C type, and there is no any connector, nothing, only just a wire connect. And this is the extra rubbers, 4 rubbers, and here you go. There is a raw AirPod, and it's a bit complicated. Wow, here you go. And this one is very tiny, so cute, looks professional. Yeah, it's just a Pro. Right, so here's the Pro, so let's be Pro and use the Pro. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.